Thank you so much for the time today, Abimbola. Let's look at what we've seen playing out. Is it still more bargain hunting in the markets today?
Yes, like I agree with you. Yeah, it's more of bargain hunting. So yesterday we've seen the All Share Index rise to about 24%. And just to put it out there, Nigerian market is one of the best in the world right now, and also the best in Africa. So the index points, we've seen the index points increase to above 52,000 points, and it's trending towards 53,000 points. The last time we saw markets at this level was in March 2008, where market got to 63,000 before it started to decline. So far, so good. And volume has increased. So we have volume at about 450 million. That's the average volume that has been trading per day, and average value of about 6 billion. So yeah, like you mentioned, bargain hunting is really the most important thing that has been driving the markets right now. Seplat, we have bargain hunting in large cap stocks, majorly large cap stocks. So Seplat is currently trading at price of 1,200. MTN also reached an all-time high of 264. Dansem is trading at 300 naira per share. It got to that level yesterday, and Airtel Africa is trading at 1,400. We've seen this bellwether stocks return double digits, and that is not to say that we're not seeing support from other mid-cap stocks and low-cap stocks from the market. Mid-cap stocks like Okomu are currently trading at 52 weeks high. In fact, that is like the high of the new high. That is like a new high. Presco as well is trading above 200. We have quite a number of stocks that have hit a new high so far. And if you put this all performance together, you will find out that the indices are really doing well. Oil and gas has returned double digits, 53%. Consumer goods has returned 18.57%. Industrial too has returned 15%, thanks to Dansem and WAPCO. Oil and gas, banking stocks also has gained. The drivers basically is more of fixed income rates. So if you compare the fixed income rates to the dividend yield that you be getting in the equities market, the fixed income rates are actually not quite attractive. Not in this inflationary pressure environment where inflation is currently at 15.9%. Investors are wiser now, and they want to get more returns on their investments. So we are seeing renewed interest. We are seeing more confidence in the equities market. It is not just the fixed income instruments. Q1 performance also. We had impressive Q1 performance. We saw year-on-year growth compared to what we saw in 2020. What we saw in Q1 2021. We saw top line increase, and we saw bottom line also increase. So it is not based. Yeah.
But I do think we can see this bullish bias continue to persist. And in terms of a catalyst that can sustain this, what are we looking at here?
Okay, so yes, I know that this is going to be sustained because obviously there is going to be profit taking at some point. Investors would want to sell some of their shares that they have made decent returns on, and this would most likely impact the market. So we can't rule out the fact that there is going to be a mild pullback in the market. But for now, we are seeing strong demand in the market. We're seeing strong demand for mid-cap stocks and large cap stocks. Those are bellwether stocks. So most likely this is going to be sustained for a while before we start seeing the markets cool down.